Our nervous system acts as the body's communication hub, sending and receiving signals to and from the brain. Damage to this intricate system can lead to pain, numbness, and reduced mobility, significantly impacting quality of life. Fortunately, there are natural ways to support nerve repair and health. In today's discussion, we'll explore 7 essential vitamins that play a pivotal role in repairing nerves and maintaining their optimal function. These vitamins not only aid in recovery but also alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage. Let's dive into the details and discover how these nutrients can empower your nervous system. Vitamin B1 thiamine. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is a cornerstone for nerve health. Its functions include 1. Promoting nerve growth. Thiamine supports the production of nerve growth factor NGF, crucial for the repair and maintenance of nerve cells. Studies have shown that adequate thiamine levels can enhance NGF production, improving the survival rate of damaged nerves. For instance, research on patients with nerve injuries revealed that those with sufficient thiamine levels exhibited faster recovery and improved nerve function. 2. Enhancing nerve conductivity. It aids in the production of myelin, the insulating layer around nerve fibers, ensuring efficient signal transmission. A lack of thiamine has been linked to conditions like neuropathy, where nerve signal transmission becomes impaired. For example, individuals with chronic alcoholism or diabetes often develop thiamine deficiencies, leading to significant nerve conductivity issues. 3. Reducing oxidative stress. As an antioxidant, it neutralizes harmful reactive oxygen species ROS that can exacerbate nerve damage. For example, patients with diabetic neuropathy often experience reduced oxidative stress when supplemented with thiamine. Animal studies have also shown that thiamine derivatives, such as benfotiamine, can significantly lower oxidative markers in damaged nerves. 4. Improving energy metabolism. Thiamine helps convert carbohydrates into energy, providing the necessary fuel for nerve repair. Energy-deficient nerves are more prone to dysfunction and slower recovery. For instance, patients recovering from nerve injuries have shown better outcomes when their diets are optimized for thiamine intake. Incorporating foods like whole grains, nuts, and seeds into your diet or considering supplementation can help restore thiamine levels. For instance, a serving of sunflower seeds or lentils can provide a significant boost to your daily thiamine intake. Additionally, fortified cereals and bread are excellent options for ensuring sufficient thiamine consumption, particularly for individuals with restricted diets. Vitamin C ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is well known for its immune-boosting properties but also plays a vital role in nerve repair. 1. Collagen synthesis. Collagen strengthens the nerve sheath, protecting nerves from further damage. Studies highlight that individuals with sufficient collagen levels exhibit better recovery from nerve injuries. For example, patients undergoing nerve graft procedures have shown improved outcomes when their vitamin C intake is optimized. 2. Antioxidant effects. It combats free radicals, preventing further cellular injury. For example, vitamin C supplementation has been shown to reduce oxidative damage in patients with peripheral neuropathy. This effect is particularly significant in conditions like diabetes, where oxidative stress is a major contributor to nerve damage. 3. Supporting immune response. Vitamin C aids in debris clearance and healing after nerve injury. Enhanced immune function helps clear damaged cells, making way for new growth. For instance, studies on wound healing suggest that higher vitamin C levels can accelerate the repair process. For neurotransmitter synthesis, adequate levels of vitamin C ensure efficient nerve signaling, critical for maintaining communication pathways in the nervous system. This includes the synthesis of norepinephrine, a neurotransmitter vital for nerve health and function. Rich sources include citrus fruits, bell peppers, and broccoli, or you can opt for supplements to meet your needs. For instance, consuming an orange, a cup of strawberries, or a serving of red bell peppers daily can fulfill your vitamin C requirements. Additionally, many vitamin C supplements are available in chewable or effervescent forms, making it easier to incorporate into your routine. Vitamin D calciferol. Often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D's role in nerve repair is supported by increasing evidence. 1. Stimulating nerve growth. Vitamin D boosts the production of NGF nerve growth factor, which is critical for the regeneration of damaged nerves. Research has shown that patients with neurodegenerative diseases, such as multiple sclerosis, benefit significantly from higher vitamin D levels, experiencing improved symptoms and slower disease progression. 2. Promoting myelin formation. Myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers, is essential for efficient signal transmission. Vitamin D plays a role in its formation, helping to restore and maintain the integrity of damaged nerves. Studies indicate that adequate vitamin D levels can speed up recovery in individuals with demyelinating conditions. 3. Preventing nerve damage. Vitamin D's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties shield nerve cells from damage caused by chronic conditions such as diabetes and autoimmune diseases. Research revealed that individuals with optimal vitamin D levels had a significantly lower risk of developing diabetic neuropathy. In one study, patients who supplemented with vitamin D experienced marked improvements in nerve pain and sensitivity. 4. Enhancing immune function. Vitamin D regulates immune responses, ensuring that inflammation is controlled and does not exacerbate nerve damage. This immune-modulating effect is particularly beneficial in conditions where immune dysregulation contributes to nerve injury. To maintain optimal vitamin D levels, consider incorporating fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks into your diet. Additionally, regular sun exposure is an excellent natural source. Spending 10 to 15 minutes in sunlight daily can stimulate vitamin D production. For those with limited access to sunlight, especially during winter months, vitamin D supplements are a reliable alternative. For example, a single serving of salmon can provide over 100% of the daily recommended intake, making it a powerhouse food for nerve health. Vitamin E alpha-tocopherol. Vitamin E stands out for its potent antioxidant properties, which are crucial in preventing and repairing nerve damage. 1. Neutralizing free radicals. Vitamin E effectively reduces oxidative stress on nerve cells by combating free radicals. Clinical trials have indicated that vitamin E supplementation improves nerve function, particularly in patients suffering from chemotherapy-induced neuropathy. For example, patients undergoing treatments for cancer have reported reduced symptoms of numbness and tingling with regular vitamin E intake. 2. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to nerve damage, and vitamin E's anti-inflammatory properties support the healing process. Research has shown that individuals with neuropathic pain experience significant symptom relief with consistent vitamin E supplementation. 3. Improving blood flow. Vitamin E enhances oxygen and nutrient delivery to nerve cells, which is essential for their recovery and proper function. Improved circulation supports nerve regeneration and reduces the risk of further damage. For protecting myelin, the myelin sheath, which insulates and protects nerve fibers, is particularly vulnerable to oxidative and inflammatory damage. Vitamin E safeguards the sheath, preserving the integrity of nerve fibers and ensuring efficient signal transmission. Excellent dietary sources of vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. A handful of almonds daily can significantly contribute to meeting your vitamin E requirements. Additionally, supplements are available for those who require higher doses for therapeutic purposes. For instance, sunflower seeds not only provide a delicious snack but also deliver a robust dose of this vital nutrient, making it a convenient option for supporting nerve health. Vitamin B12 cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is indispensable for nerve cell maintenance and repair. 1. Myelin formation. Vitamin B12 is integral to the production and repair of myelin, the protective coating around nerve fibers. Studies have shown that vitamin B12 supplementation can significantly improve symptoms in patients with peripheral neuropathy, a condition characterized by nerve damage often associated with diabetes or chemotherapy. For example, patients receiving regular B12 injections have reported reduced tingling and numbness in their extremities. 2. DNA synthesis. This vitamin supports cellular repair and regeneration, essential for nerve recovery. Damaged nerve cells require efficient DNA synthesis for proper replication and repair, and vitamin B12 plays a central role in this process. 3. Regulating homocysteine levels. Elevated homocysteine levels can harm nerve cells and contribute to neurodegenerative diseases. Vitamin B12 helps regulate these levels, reducing the risk of nerve damage. Research suggests that lowering homocysteine through adequate B12 intake correlates with improved nerve health and cognitive function. Sources of vitamin B12 include animal-based foods such as meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For vegans and vegetarians, fortified plant-based products like cereals, nutritional yeast, and plant milks are excellent alternatives. Supplementation may also be necessary to prevent deficiencies, particularly for those on restrictive diets. For example, fortified breakfast cereals can provide a significant portion of the daily recommended intake of vitamin B12, making them a convenient option for individuals with dietary limitations. Vitamin K, though primarily recognized for its role in blood clotting, vitamin K also aids in nerve repair. 1. Stimulating nerve regeneration. Vitamin K activates proteins like Gas6, which facilitate nerve cell survival and repair. Research has linked higher vitamin K levels with improved nerve function, particularly in aging populations and those recovering from nerve injuries. For example, studies on post-surgical nerve recovery have shown that vitamin K supplementation can expedite healing and improve mobility. 2. Supporting cellular health. By enhancing repair mechanisms, vitamin K aids in recovering nerves from injury and maintaining cellular integrity. Its role in calcium regulation also ensures a healthier environment for nerve cells to thrive. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and broccoli are rich in vitamin K, ensuring adequate intake through diet or supplements can significantly enhance nerve health. For instance, a cup of cooked kale provides over 100% of the daily recommended intake. Additionally, incorporating parsley or Brussels sprouts into meals can offer a diverse array of nutrients to complement vitamin K's benefits. The path to healthier nerves lies in a well-nourished body. Incorporating these 7 essential vitamins into your diet can significantly aid in nerve repair and maintenance. Whether through whole foods or supplements, these nutrients work synergistically to protect, repair, and rejuvenate your nervous system. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes or starting new supplements. Your nerves are the foundation of your body's communication. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into health and wellness. Together, let's build a healthier future.